Hi, today's video is related to the top mistakes made by new freelancers on Upwork. Before we are going to discuss the mistakes that the new freelancers may make on Upwork, first we need to check that there is a difference between a new freelancer and an experienced freelancer. An experienced freelancers have a complete Upwork profile having a job success score, badge, and work history. But in case of a new freelancers, they are not having a badge on their profile, no job success score, and no work history. So, new freelancers need to put extra efforts in order to win projects on Upwork. So, let's discuss about the few points. First one is a send a copy and paste cover letter. Most of the freelancers in starting send a copy paste cover letter on the job post on Upwork. Doing this, new freelancers are not able to win a single job on Upwork. So please don't send a copy paste cover letter. For new freelancers, a cover letter is the only thing that helps them to get an interview. I am going to share a few tips for the new freelancers. Please watch these tips carefully and start applying on jobs. These tips helps you a lot in winning the projects on Upwork. The second mistake may be made by the new freelancers is wrong belief that you cannot charge more than the client's budget. Underpricing sends a bad signal. If you bid at a low price, then might it send a bad signal to the client that you are here only to make work history, or maybe you are not able to provide quality work. We all know the danger of overpricing. You may lose the deal, but all these things depends on the client. Sometimes clients are new and not aware about what amount of money he should spend for quality work. But it depends. But in business, it depends on you which path you want to go. You want to make profit or you want to make loss. If you have quality, then you can make more money. So please charge the money as per the quality you are going to provide. Third mistake can be not applying on new clients with payment method not verified and no feedback. Sometimes there are clients who post jobs on Upwork but their payment method is not verified and they have no work history. But it didn't mean that these clients will not make hire. It is a good opportunity for new freelancers because in such type of jobs where the client's payment method is not verified, in these jobs, less number of proposals, less competition, and there are higher chances to get reward. So you should judge these type of jobs. First, you should judge whether the client is genuine or not. I will let you know how you can find genuine client. First, you should check the job description. If you think that the client job description is good and he is he or she will be make an hire, then after that you need to check that when the client become member on Upwork and how many jobs he or she posted so far. It helps a lot to apply for the jobs of new clients that are ready to hire freelancers. As shown in the image, couple of jobs posted by this client and this client is member since 9th April 2021. So if this client really wants to hire someone, he didn't post many jobs, and as he or she become member on 9th April 2021, so it's almost 4 5 months ago he joined the Upwork, so he is not a genuine client. In the image 2, the payment method is not verified also, but one job is posted by the client and he or she is member since October 2, 2021. So after checking the job description of this client, you can judge whether he or she will make a hire or not. So these are the few tips to judge the clients whose payment method is not verified. If you fourth mistake can be applying instantly. Sometimes freelancers are ready to apply to the jobs as posted by the client. As seen in the image, this job is posted 2 minutes ago. So if you want to bid on number one, so you need to bid on it as soon as possible. But it will not pays you a lot because sometimes client will see the proposals, what did you offer in your cover letter, so you will not get revert back if you are going to applying instantly on the job post. So don't try to apply to the job instantly. First check the job description, then apply to the jobs. If you are confident that you can do the job, propose to the client what you can do for him, her, and how you can make the project successful. Take your time to read the job description and then write the cover letter. It will surely help you a lot to get revert back from the client. Fifth one, don't see the job description carefully. This is a huge mistake. If you are not going to check the job description carefully and start applying on that job, you will surely will not get revert back on such type of jobs. As shown in this job posting, the client clearly mentioned the requirements, payment, how to apply. So in this type of job, should quote, you should provide portfolio of previous work when you are going to apply to this job. So I always suggest you always read the job description carefully and then write tailored proposal. You will get surely revert back from the client. Sixth mistake, take time to respond to clients' messages or invitations. When you get an interview or message from a client, then please answer as soon as possible. Instant communication pays a lot and you can win the job easily. If you are going to take time to respond to client message or invite, then maybe some other freelancer win the job. So please try to revert back to client as soon as possible. Overconfidence is not a good thing, and you will surely lose the deal when you are overconfident. So please avoid this thing. One of the common mistake, don't check the feedback given by previous freelancer to the client. Sometimes freelancer applying immediately to the job without checking the reviews given by the previous freelancer hired by the client. When you are going to applying to the jobs, please check the feedback given by freelancers to the client. As shown in this image, 3.5 stars this client get. So don't apply to such type of clients because in some cases clients are not good. So it's good if you are going to check reviews. Offer to take an interview or hire. This is a minor mistake if you are going to write in the cover letter to the client that please take an interview or please send an offer or hire you. It is not a good thing. If client find you a stable candidate for his job, his or her job, then he will surely interview or hire you. So please don't make such offers in your cover letter. Last one, applying for a fixed price jobs outside of your budget. If you think that you can win small jobs and then make your work history, you can apply to small jobs and win them. But it will create a hurdle to win large projects in future. Client will check your work history and say no to you for bigger projects. So please don't take projects that will not pay you for your quality work. If a client needs quality, you can say yes. Please don't compromise with quality and price.